Hey guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me in this new video. What I'm going to show you today is how you can block bots if you're under attack, right? So if you receive a sudden spike of bad traffic, so it could be several emails that are submitted at the same time, but those emails are all fakes. It could be just bad comments, and it could be as well that your server is just overloaded. This is something that you can enable really quickly in Cloudflare. That's gonna help you with those bad traffic. Right? So if you're under attack, and that's basically the setting that we're gonna turn on if you're under attack, and this is something that you can do. So what we're gonna do, come over here in Cloudflare, make sure that you have selected your domain over here. Once that is done, before we continue, just make sure that you have set up your website with Cloudflare. So the traffic of your website needs to be proxied through Cloudflare. So it means that the DNS over here needs to be set up within Cloudflare. This is something that we had with, but you can reach out to your domain registrar to see if they can do anything about it. But you're gonna see in the description a way to get in touch with us if you want us to help you with that. So let's get on with what I want to show you, which is how you can turn on a setting that's gonna block bots or bad traffic if you're under attack, if you receive a sudden spike of bad traffic. So we're gonna go over here, select the domain, and we're gonna go to security. We're gonna go to settings over here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna select DDoS attack, and DDoS attack is denial distributed denial of service. And what that does is usually bad actors are gonna try and send um, a lot of bad traffic through different IPs to overload your server, right? And when your server is overloaded, it just crash, and your website is no longer available to your clients or your customers. So that is the category that we're gonna select here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see security level over here, right? Another way to get to that, if you haven't selected a category, and we're just gonna come over here and search, I'm gonna type it, and you should see that as well, security level over here. Right now I'm under attack mode. It is disabled on my end, but I can come up here and just turn it on. So right now it's going to be enabled, and when I'm going to apply the settings, it is now enabled, right? And what that does, I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to go over here in incognito mode, and I'm going to go to my website, and what you're gonna notice is the traffic. Now, like, every traffic is gonna be either shown a captcha or shown a JavaScript challenge, right? Before it is redirected to the real website. So um, Cloudflare is using some machine learning and threat intelligence, just knowing the behavior, the fingerprint of the traffic that comes in. What it does is, for spammers, for bots, and also um, for countries that are known to have a lot of bad traffic, they're gonna be shown that challenge, right? Where they actually need to validate that they're not a bot. But for real users, they will just need to they will just be shown really briefly that page and redirected to your website. So that is what I wanted to show you, how you can defend yourself if you're under attack. This is something that you're gonna turn on for a while you're under attack, and when uh the issue is passed, you can come over here and disable it, especially if you notice that a lot of your customers or users are receiving that challenge, right? So once that is disabled, you're back to normal mode and everything is good. So it's what I wanted to show you. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with some friends. If you're a small business owner looking for peace of mind, head over to vanguardbear.com for a free website security audit and learn more about our services. And I will catch you in the next video.